Hello.
Howdy.
Apologize if I shout. I can't hear out of my left ear, which you knew already, so. Anyways, we got something for his iPad Pro that we wanted to...
Right now it's just a plain
Right now it's
cover.
just a regular case. But we got, yes, there's a hole in the plastic, we're sorry. We got the smart keyboard. Again, yay for tax season. But we got the smart keyboard, and so we were going to open it up and try it out with whatever time we have, which is, okay, it's only been 49 seconds. I just have to stick my face under the numbers in case you're wondering, so I can see. So there's your...
Here is...
Oh, there's already a hole in it.
Yeah.
He likes to use his fingernail, excuse me, for the yawn.
Okay, plastic.
I am oddly tired today. I'm going to take this case off so we can see what all...
And of course they're fantastic boxing. Nice, sturdy.
Because I'm not sure if that sits in a case or whether it's just a keyboard.
Box. Apparently there must be something in here.
But I removed... Oh, this is floppy. I removed the case off of the iPad Pro. There's this case. And apparently this is... Apparently you can leave this on. Because all this is... Or maybe not.
No, you can't leave that on. It comes off. Because it has a quick start sheet.
So here it is. There's the keyboard.
Here's the magnetic piece that goes to the side.
The magnetic cover that goes on it. And it closes like this, so you can put this back on. I think you can put this back on. I think. Or does it, or can you? No, you can't, because it has to sit in the, because here's the pieces here.
Well, all that shows is the magnet attaching where the...
Yes, I know.
Okay.
But this here attaches to
The 3 connectors.
these 3 things, which means I think you could almost have this on.
Well, yeah, because
So why did I take this off?
we didn't know that yet.
So I'm going to put it back on. I'm just going to put it back on. And then I will take the keyboard and I think I got it in the right spot. So it's heavier now. So he's got this now as a backup, apparently. But
When we're going places we don't really need the keyboard.
So when you open it up, it goes, it goes in there like this. And then...
The magnets catch it.
But you're not going to be able to see the screen because it whites out, because LCD on LCD. So...
Clip.
So this is what it looks like. It looks kind of laptop-ish.
Or you can use it without the keyboard by folding it behind, like that. Like the standard one there.
Here's some different ways they show how you can set up. You can put the keyboard behind.
Or flat to use.
Or flat to use. Which is just interesting. I wish there was a way we could do this where you could see us type on the keyboard, but right now that's not an option because of our camera situation. So that is that, and this video is only 5 minutes long, so I guess we could do a short
review.
5 minutes of the app. I'm sorry, I'm so tired right now. I can't even think straight.
Apple.
The iPad Pro, what he likes and what he doesn't like, or we could just have a short video. I think right now we'll just have a short video because I'm so tired right now. I can't think straight.
We do have it where it goes in. The keys are nice and flat. Very easy typing. They don't take much pressure to do them.
Tab.
Use tab. Whoa, the tab made the screen.
You can flip through your screens.
Whoa, the tab flips through the screens. How do you flip the other way? Oh, shift tab.
No.
No? Oh, shift tab.
No, I pressed the button. Or I didn't press the button, I slid the screen.
Okay, anyhow.
But this, now he has a backup giant.
So apparently
black.
it's Bluetooth enough and it connects right through there where you don't need possibly need the Bluetooth on. Let's turn Bluetooth off and see if it still works. And do a quick notepad. No notes. Hey, I have the Bluetooth off. Apparently the keyboard connects right through those 3 magnetic clips.
Oh.
And works just fine. Because I turned Bluetooth off. So.
And you're not even in the camera, so.
So it's a non-Bluetooth keyboard.
That is good. That it just connects through magnets. That is good and useful.
Now
So if you're like out and about and you accidentally disconnect Bluetooth, well, oops. You can't use your Apple Pencil, but you can use that.
Unless you replug it in to resync it.
But we'll, more on the Apple Pencil on another video.
And there's no power or anything to the keyboard. It runs off the power from the iPad. So apparently, if you use the keyboard a lot, it don't drain a lot of power, but it probably will drain some.
And it'll just be neat.
Wow. Very strong magnetic
Clip. This goes on the inside.
Yes, it does.
And as he's flipping and flopping, I'm doing the whole. If you ever saw The Princess Diaries 2 and you watched Anne Hathaway and
That's
her
awesome.
with Julie Andrews and her fan dance going, making faces. That's what I was doing. I'm sorry. I apologize.
I think this case will work out awesome.
It does add weight though. I don't like the sticky uppy part, but that's okay. It's not my iPad. I don't have to deal with the sticky uppy part. But I think it'll be useful for. Here, let me get out my iPad/laptop.
It's almost like a thin desktop.
But almost like a thin MacBook Air kind of thing. It's got a keyboard. It just doesn't have a mouse. But that's okay. Because do you really need a mouse with an iPad? No, you don't.
Just a finger and the touchscreen.
Finger, touchscreen,
Now
keyboard.
a touch monitor for an Apple and Mac would be cool too.
But that is that. So, he's going to go play with his new toy. And we are going to watch MasterChef on Hulu. Because it's awesome. Oops, sorry. Because I cut his face off.
Now you hide me.
I am sorry we did not come up with any random facts.
A zebra is actually black with white stripes, not white with black stripes. If you shave a zebra, he's black underneath. I did find one today.
Okay, so he did find one today. There's your random fact for the end of the video. If you like this video, click like or subscribe. And I'm pretty sure our next video will be a review of the iPad Pro and Apple Pencil, if we can fit it all into like 12 minutes or less.
Yep.
And there's a surprising amount of things we don't like about the Apple Pencil.
Yes.
that, you know, you might just want to get a regular stylus.
Mm-hmm.
So, anyways, till the next video, we will see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.